Student, in previous topics, I explained about the trajectory of horizontal projectile is parabola. After that, we learn about time of descent of horizontal projectile. Next, we learn about horizontal range of projectile. Now, we wanted to measure velocity of horizontal projectile after time t. So here I consider the height of tower is h and its initial horizontal component of velocity is u. There is no vertical component of velocity initially. Therefore, the initial velocity vector of the projectile is given by vector u is equal to ux I cap plus uy j cap. But here the value of uy is 0. That's why I write here vector u is equal to u I cap. Let this is equation number 1. And also horizontal acceleration is 0 and vertical acceleration is plus g. Therefore, acceleration vector is given by ay minus j cap. Why? Because acceleration due to gravity is acting towards negative y-axis. That's why I take unit vector as minus j cap. So here I substitute the value of ay is g. Then we get acceleration vector is g minus j cap. Let this is equation number 2. So from the given topic, we want to measure velocity of projectile after time t. So here we consider the projectile reaches point P in its path after time t. So here, see this. This is the direction of velocity of the projectile. So it is its horizontal component, and this is its vertical component of velocity after time t. So therefore, the velocity vector of the projectile after time t is measured from equation of motion v is equal to u plus at. Here we know that u initial is u I cap and acceleration vector is g minus j cap into t. So this equation changes into ui cap plus gt minus j cap. gt minus j cap. So here gt represents vertical component of velocity after time t. Let this is vy. And u is horizontal component of velocity after time t. Let this is vx is equal to u. Once again I repeat, gt represents vertical component of velocity after time t and u represents horizontal component of velocity after time t. So from this equation we measure magnitude of velocity, which is given by v is equal to square root of u square plus g square t square. Square root of u square plus g square t square. And also we measure the direction of velocity with horizontal. Let after time t the velocity vector makes an angle alpha with positive x-axis. So that's why here I write tan alpha is equal to y component by x component of velocity. So therefore gt by u. So from this equation we write alpha is equal to tan inverse of gt by u with horizontal. Okay. So this is the required expression for the velocity vector of the projectile after time t. So which is given by vector v is equal to ui cap minus gt j cap. Right. Next, after that, we want to measure the velocity of the projectile before it strikes the ground. Thank you.